Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is no meetings with the employees. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many monopolistic organizations in the country, in fact in the world, which only want to enforce their decisions on the employees. They don't want any kind of discussion with the employees related to whatever is being implemented inside the organization. They just want to make policies and they don't want to know that people within the organization are loving that policy or not. They just want forceful implementation of every type of policy that they want to implement for the employees. Now, these monopolistic organizations, they are prevalent in today's society, ladies and gentlemen. We say that today there is democracy and we have to listen to everyone without framing any decision, but still in this particular society also we have many such monopolistic organizations who don't bother what their employees feel, who just believe in implementing illogical policies. One more thing is there, that these organizations, they have their own specific employees who give decisions to the policy makers every time whenever a new decision is made. And every time these are the few employees who give decision, who participate in decision making. The managers have their own special employees to whom managers give special attention. There are many such employees inside the organization, ladies and gentlemen, who receive special attention from the managers, who are given all the privileges by the manager, but rest of the employees of the organization are not given those privileges. Although the qualification level, the experience level of all sorts of employees are same, still there are few sets of employees which get extra privilege from the higher authorities. And whenever some policy is being implemented, only these few employees participate in decision making. The higher authorities hold meeting with these few employees. They discuss something and then they come to a conclusion which is implemented on everyone inside the organization. Now see this scenario. Holding meeting with few employees whom you love and then implementing the final decision on all the employees of the organization. Now that is absolutely unfair, ladies and gentlemen. Someone who is your favorite, some employee who is your favorite, whom you love, you hold a meeting with a group of few of those employees, and then whatever the final decision is made in the meeting, you implement that decision on every employee of the organization without even knowing their point of view. Without even knowing their point of view, you held a meeting with few of your favorites, and then whatever the conclusion was taken, it was forcefully implemented on all the employees of the organization. This is what these monopolistic organizations do. And there are many such organizations in the country, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is absolutely a wrong way of working, ladies and gentlemen. It is 100% a wrong way of working. And by doing so, the management is deteriorating its own reputation. And very soon your organization will be empty of good employees. Very soon, good employees, genuine employees will leave your organization. They will automatically submit their resume. Because, ladies and gentlemen, people want to utilize their knowledge, their experience in that particular organization, which gives something back to them in return. Something good, something appreciable. But if, even in the crucial decision-making scenario of the organization, you are not involving everyone who is the part of the organization and you are selecting your favorite fews, that is absolutely wrong. That is absolutely an unethical way of working, ladies and gentlemen. If higher authorities are doing this thing, that they are holding secret meetings with their favorites, and whatever the policies They are implementing those policies after having a crucial discussion with only their favorites and not involving every employee of the organization in the discussion. That is absolutely unfair. It means that few of the employees already know that what policies you are going to implement, and rest every other employee is absolutely unaware of it. How can you be so partial as the head of the organization? This is absolute partiality, ladies and gentlemen. Favoritism must end. It must end in every organization. This is bad. This is very bad. This is unethical, illogical, and in moral terms, illegal also. Morally illegal. There is a proper way of holding a meeting, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever topic is there on which you want to hold a meeting, first of all, you prepare an agenda for it. You prepare an agenda for it, that this will be the agenda of the meeting, and then you circulate the notice of that meeting among all the people inside the organization. Among all the people inside the organization. And involve everyone in the decision-making process. Involve everyone in that particular crucial meeting. And after that, start holding the meeting in a systematic way. There is a chairman of the meeting. There is a secretary of the meeting. There are participating members inside the meeting. First of all, the agenda is prepared. The secretary of the meeting displays the agenda in front of all the participating members, and then the discussions are held. After taking opinion of every employee of the organization, whosoever is participating in that meeting, a final conclusion is come at. And this final conclusion is decided by discussing thoroughly with every employee of the organization. At the end of the meeting, the minutes of the meeting are prepared. The minutes of the meeting are the crucial points which everyone discusses during the meeting, and those minutes of the meeting are thoroughly analyzed by the chairman of the meeting. After thorough analysis of the minutes of the meeting, the chairman of the meeting gives final conclusion that is acceptable to every participating member of the meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the quality of final conclusion of the meeting, that it should be acceptable to all the participating members of the meeting. Even if a single participating member is not agreeing with the decision, a thorough analysis must be done. A separate meeting must be held with that particular employee, and he should be thoroughly asked that what is the problem in the decision that the authority has taken. What wrong you are seeing in this decision. And if there are amendments required, the necessary amendments are made in that particular decision so that it is acceptable to every employee of the organization, to everyone whosoever participated in that particular meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the criteria of holding a meeting inside the organization. This is no criteria that you involve few of your favorite employees in the organization. You frame some policies and then you implement those policies on entire organization. Just by having a close discussion with your favorite employees, you cannot implement the policy on everyone inside the organization. This is absolutely unethical and illogical. So if certain organizations are doing this thing, that they are holding a separate meeting with their favorite fews, and then they are implementing the planned policies on everyone inside the organization without even telling them, please stop doing it. Please stop doing it before your organization is nowhere around. Please stop doing this. Because very soon your organization will be nowhere in the vicinity. Even the employees of your organization will leave your organization. The good employees, hardworking employees of the organization will resign from your organization. And very soon your organization will be no more. It will be no more. Absolute downfall. That's all I wanted to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time you can get the instant notification whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a great day.